Built by American Grand Old Shipyard, Trinity Yachts of New Orleans, 17 specific improvements were added to this vessel, the 10th in their line of Victory Lane class yachts. Advanced electronics are everywhere. You will never lose touch with family, as there is multiple voice-over internet, satellite and GSM telephone lines. Keep your finger on the pulse of business and world events from the privacy of your own stateroom through continuous, high-speed internet access on the laptops provided in each cabin, or anywhere throughout the yacht through a sophisticated wireless network system. In her state-of-the-art bridge, there are 9 flat-screen monitors connected via black box technology. Each monitor has complete switching capability, so you can watch a different program on each screen. Janie has 19 satellite receivers for each region she travels to, and you can choose from 500 movies and 1,200 CDs with the touch of a button. Or you can keep tabs on the yacht's navigation underway. Watch the hot eye, night vision closed circuit external cameras, or even see what's in the sea beneath you through the underwater cameras below. Your comfort is guaranteed, as this is no ordinary yacht. In any sea conditions underway, and even while at anchor, your ride aboard Janie will feel smooth and calm.
There's a new system, and this is the very first boat we ever put it on, called zero-speed stabilizers. When at anchor or tied to stern mooring like in St. Bart's, instead of rocking with all the waves, these stabilizers keep you perfectly still so you won't get queasy, you won't get sick. It will be the most comfortable ride ever.
Janie is the ultimate marriage between luxury and technology. This union is embodied in the innovative engine room with an interior designed specifically for the yacht by Rick Hendrick of Hendrick Motorsports.
The engine room is like nothing we've ever built. There's chrome, there's special detailing that's been done on this boat that is just spectacular, and anybody that'll go in this engine room is going to just catch their breath when they see it.
Enough about Janie. What is this really about? This is about you and your guests and the vacation of your lives. Designed for outdoor worshippers, Janie's sun deck is the perfect spot to while away the day. Lounge around watching the daylight viewable flat-screen TV while Chef barbecues lunch. Fishing or diving? Why not both? Climb aboard the custom Intrepid and let the crew take you deep-sea game fishing. Or dive under the surface and spy on aquatic life. Paddle one or the 2 kayaks around the reef or race each other on wave runners. Delve into a treasure chest of toys like water skis, wakeboards and tow toys. Full bars throughout the yacht and al fresco dining for 10 are more amenities Janie provides for the ultimate in waterfront living. Your personal chef is already preparing a menu specifically designed for your friends and your tastes. Be as indulgent or health conscious as your heart desires. A blue world of coral reefs and clear, warm seas await you where Janie is standing ready for your arrival. Explore untouched beaches or charming village ports in the Caribbean. You may prefer the sophisticated shops and clubs of the Mediterranean. Whatever your choice, Janie is the yacht to take you there.